Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are with a Honda VTX 1800 bags. Beautiful bit of kit. This is for your 1800C and your S. Okay, comes complete with your mounts. These are obviously adjustable. Saddlemen make them fit multiple bikes. Comes with all the mounts, all your bolts, etc. Hold them on. A quick release option also available. But as you can see, very simple to follow instructions. Okay, bolt the thing on. Very, very cool. So the great thing about these bags, like some of the other bags we do, they're quick release, so you don't actually have to and looking at this, they do lock. In fact, yeah, they do. These are actually very unusual in that they lock, but very cool bit of kit made by Saddlemen. Proud to put the name on, as you can see. This particular set, as you can see, with the VTX being a twin shocker, you do lose a bit of space, but obviously that's because the shock absorbers will go along here. Okay, rubbers and everything obviously go in these holes, and then away you go. As you can see, very aesthetically pleasing as well, very good quality, available for lots of other bikes as well. Now if we look inside the bag itself, okay, as you can see, here's your quick release mechanism down here. Bags of Velcro, there's no way this thing's going to come open as you're going along as well. So you've got Velcro here, locks onto here. There's your shock, as you can see, which on a lot of bikes, soft tails, you haven't got that issue obviously. Document wallet, nice padded bottom, and then as you can see, the lid, very well made, very good quality bags, it says. Okay, now when you put it together, obviously you've got your line your Velcro up, which is a bit awkward one-handed. This will then go into here. And the very cool thing about this, I didn't even realise, is this actually does come with a key. But you can undo the bag here, so I imagine this is some kind of a locking key system. But as you can see, very cool bags, very well made, available from customcruisers.com for all your VTX parts. We've got bags of offers on VTX 18 at the moment. We've got shocks, we've got windshields, rider backrests, caliper covers, drive shaft covers, bags of Kiriakin gear, all on clearance. Give us a call. 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.